everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Valentine's card, I thought, or you could give it to anybody just because you love them. And I just wanted to show you how I made it, and some other products that are coming out now that you can use in place of the products that I have. So let's get started. Grab your coffee or whatever and hang out with me for a few minutes. I've got my coffee in my little Valentine's cup already. Nice and hot. So I'm going to be using some older bee paper that I have. Let me get the paper so you can see what it was. This is, I think it's my, oops. It's called Be Mine. Be Mine, and it's 12 by 12, and it looks like this. But in our online, it's an online brochure for scrapbooking products that Stampin' Up! Is selling now, which I will be doing some scrapbooking pages. They have a new online brochure, but I printed mine because I needed a physical one. And on, I should have had this set, page 13 and 14, they have a new one. It's very, very cute. And it's called Cute as Can Be. And they have some really cute paper that would be very easily to be used with in place of this one that I have here. It's got some cute little hearts and you know, different papers that you could easily use. It's almost basically the same paper, and they just changed up the colors. They are using more of a Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, Petunia Pop, and Pool Party. I don't know what Petunia Pop is. I didn't think we had a Petunia Pop. Oh yeah, we do. It's an in color. Sorry. It's one of the in colors, so that's really cool. I've ordered this. I wanted to do this card with that, but my stuff wasn't going to be in time, so I ended up doing it with this. And yeah, I had a class last night, and this stuff wasn't going to be in time. So this whole brochure, I should tell you, is available as of January, as of yesterday. It was all available, so for customers. So you can go online, you can check it out and order. So let's get started without diddly-dally here any longer. So I took a piece of Real Red, and I scored it. It's 5.5. It's 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And now all I'm going to do is I'm bringing this all the way back. You could score this also at the what is it, 2 1/8 this down, and I just like to reinforce this side also again, and then this side. The more you do this, the flatter your card will stay when you're working on it. All right, then you're going to need 2 pieces. I don't know what I do with my directions, so I'll just look them up. 2 pieces, and these are 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. So you're going to need 1 for here and 1 for here, and this is in your DSP. And so we will use this one, and take your tape runner and just add some stuff to it here, just like that. And I also have one that is the same size, and I did it in white, basic white. And this is where you would write your greeting or whatever you want to put on your little card. You could stamp in here if you wanted to. And then we need to put the other one on. This one in. Oh, thing I didn't push it down too hard. The top moved over on me. Here I thought I was being so careful. Sorry if I'm out of camera. I'm trying. There we go. There we go. Much better. Alright, then we need a bunch of scrap pieces. We need this for all our stamping. We need, it's just a scrap piece of white. We need a scrap piece of Designer Series paper, and this is 1 3/4 by 2 1/4. We need 2 of them and some different scrap papers. And we also need a 2 by 2 piece of scrap paper for punching out some hearts. So now let's get started. Get the stamp set out we're going to use. We are going to be using More Than Autumn. And my little foam mat here. My black ink. I just use Memento black ink. I'm going to stamp up the cup. And I hope I'm not, let me zoom back out. I was trying to, oop, wrong way. I was trying to make sure that this light reflection, but I've kind of hidden it a little bit now. So, all right. And then we're just going to stamp this one right here onto that paper. And then we're going to stamp this one onto this paper. So now we have them, and then we're going to stamp on this white piece. We're going to stamp the little, what do you call this? And we're going to stamp it down here in the corner. And then I need I need 2 of these, no, 1 of these hearts. And then I also need a donut. Okay, and then I am going to stamp this. I gotta do a little work to this one when it gets time. I'm going to stamp this right here. Okay, and I'm going to just cut this off and do some coloring. Because I'm going to show you how I got that grading. So we're going to set that aside. We're going to die cut these, and this piece here, all we're cutting out is this banner, the little not banner, what do they call them? The cup sleeves, I guess, on the cups when you buy them or when you get them. I don't know. Do they still sell them with cup sleeves? I should know this. Both of my girls work at the donut shop, so there you go. All right, now we're going to do some coloring before we cut them out. And all I used was real or cherry cobbler. No, I do not want cherry cobbler. Good thing I looked at that. I want real red, dark, and I used petal pink, if I didn't look at it upside down. I don't want dark neither. I fibbed. I want real red light. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to color the donut in the red here. Like so. You don't need a lot of this red when you do it, because the red is one of the colors with the blends that do blend out very well. They like to give a little bit of a bleed. So just dab it and it goes where it's got to go. Especially when they're new. I just ordered that one new. And then we're going to use the petal, pink petal, and I'm going to do that in the dark, and I'm just coloring all the icing this color. Okay. And then I'm going to take my red and I'm going to color in my heart. Like so. And then I'm going to color my straw. Just with some of the little designs there. So that's all I did for this. So now we're going to get out the die cutting machine. I'm going to cut out our little word, well, poke it out because it's still in here. And this little word coffee. Poke it out here. So tiny. There we go. So we got our word coffee. Put those dies over there. We need a few of these. I think it was, I did 2 on the inside and 2 on the outside. So we need 4 of these. 4 of these little heart punches. Alright, let's start putting some of this together. Just going to take some adhesive and I'm going to put it on the outside. I'm going to put this right over top of this one, just like that. My donut is done. Now I'm going to take and add a little bit of adhesive to the back of this bottom half so I could put it on there just like that. Then I am going to use some glue for this one. I'm going to get out my fine tip Sweet Petunia glue thing. I use the Stampin' Up! Tombow glue in this. I just absolutely love this Precision. I got a little too much glue from making it come out. There we go. I'm going to just stick that right there. Then I took some mini pop dots here and I put on the back of this one and one on this one. Not that it, and I'm going to pop, some glue there. I'm going to pop this one up right on the center, and this one we're going to save for later. Alright, we'll attach these to the card in a minute. So we're going to put all that stuff, we're going to come back to, actually we need our little coffee. We're going to come back to this one. And I'm going to get some tweezers. Let me zoom in so you guys could maybe see what I'm doing here. Get in the camera sight. There we go. Alright. I took this word coffee, which is so tiny. I'm trying to... It's so tiny I can't even find a spot to really hold on to it good. Okay, maybe... There we go. Alright, and then I'm just going to dab this with this glue here and there. I'm really just using the glue that is left on the pen. I'm not really squeezing anything. Sorry, I'm not really squeezing anything out of it. And then I'm going to put this one right here. like that. And then I'm going to attach this right underneath it. Now you could have, instead of attaching this on there, I could have stamped it, which, I mean, it's whatever you want to do. I don't know. I just felt like this was more, I could make it more accurate where I wanted it than, and it gave it like a little 3D pop kind of a thing. So I did that. Then I took my scissors and I did a little fussy cutting. A little rough. And I have that. So that's what I did to get my little greeting to look like that. So now let's bring the card back in. And I'm going to zoom back out. No, wrong way. There we go. So you could see what I'm doing. So I'm going to attach the cup first. And I'm just going to attach it right about here. That looks good. Add some glue. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. A little bit will do ya. And I kind of did it at a little bit of a slant because I thought that looked kind of cute. And then I'm going to add to my donut. I don't add it to all the way over because I have it hanging off just a little bit. And I kind of didn't want it to get glue on this side. So I left it like that. And then the other one that I popped up, I put a pop dot on. I'm going to take that off. And I kind of popped that one up right here because I thought it was cute. And then I'm going to take our greeting. I'm going to put that right here. Like so. And I just put it at an angle. And then I'm going to take these two and I'm going to open up this. And I'm going to add a little bit of glue right here. Like so. Put this one right there like that on the inside. And then these are retired hearts, but they have all different kinds of hearts and stuff that you can use for, you know, for this card. So find what you got, or they do sell some type of hearts in the catalog. I want to say they're pearl now, but you can color them too. And then I wanted some like sprinkles in my heart, or in my cup on my whipped cream. So I took and put 3 random little heart sprinkles and just kind of staggered them in my cup. And that is all I did for my card, everybody. I hope you guys will give this a try. Maybe try it with the new product. Maybe I'll do that again too. But I just wanted to show you something that you can make quick with the Love You More Than stamp set. Still, even though it was more geared towards fall, and that you could still use it here in February. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.